Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good
Good
evening, ma'am.
evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
So, we are going to start one activity of our chapter, and the chapter is eating together. So, today we will begin that chapter by eating together only. So, when we were in the school, we were eating together during the lunch break. Okay? Isn't it?
Yes.
And now, as we are at home,
Yes, ma'am.
we can enjoy that sort of eating together, being at home also in our online class. So, few things we have kept along with you as I instructed you. Even I have also kept something. See, this is the boiled potato I'm having with me. Okay, and those you all are also having if boiled potato or fruits or anything. See, like this, here I have boiled potato, here is a bowl, and I'll be peeling out this. First of all, you will have to wash your hand, clean your hand. Hope everyone has washed and then come here, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now peel off the potatoes. Those who are ready with the potato chaat, those who want to make potato chaat and eat. So here I am also peeling it out, the potato. See, okay. You also be ready and show me your things on the screen along with the name of the thing which you
Ma'am,
are
we can
having.
make potato
See,
chaat.
curd also, yes. Coriander leaves, curd. See, here I have potato and a knife. But you will not use knife. When you have to cut anything, your parents, your elders will be there to help you out. And here I am cutting this potatoes in this way. Slice of the potatoes I am cutting. You also be ready. Who is this? Yes, your plates are shown here. And then on this potato, what I'm going to add? What is this? Read.
Chaat masala. Chaat masala.
Yeah, it is
Chaat
chaat
masala.
masala. I'll add chaat
Ma'am, I
masala.
also
I'll
added.
sprinkle some salt in it. I'll put some chaat masala. And then, as you said, if you wish, you can add. What else you can add? Yes, so many things. Wow. This is Astha Giritkar. Astha Giritkar is showing. Show Astha. I'll call out your names and you will show me your things. Astha, what you have?
Ma'am, chopped apples,
Okay,
carrot,
very nice.
broccoli, and tomato,
Okay,
salt, black pepper,
yes,
and chaat masala, and ma'am, some paplis.
very good. So many things she has with her. Now by the time you add those things, I'll go to some other child here. Sarina is also having some nice things in her plate. Yes, Sarina, tell what all things you are having.
I'm gonna. Ma'am, coriander, murmura, salt, tomatoes, save, onions, and some papdi.
Wow, you also add those things and make your delicious dish. Next, who is there? Show me. Yes, Suryansh Tiwari.
Yes, ma'am. I have banana, black grape, and orange, and chiku and banana and salt.
So you are going to make a fruit chart.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And here we have Trishika. Yes, Trishika. Others, please mute yourself. I think, Trishika, there is some disturbance at your end. Trishika, I think there is some disturbance at your end, beta. When you are unmuting yourself, no, some voice is coming, different voice. And here, Aryan Avasti is also showing one plate. Show Aryan, what is there?
Ma'am, there is one orange, pomegranate, banana, grapes, and black pepper, black salt, and simple salt.
Okay, common salt or table salt. Yes. So
Yes, ma'am.
by this time everyone is ready with your recipe. This is Yurush. Yes, Yurush. What is there?
Ma'am, can we make a fruit salad?
Of course, you can make fruit salad, you can make potato chaat, fruit chaat, and then we are going to eat also because we have to enjoy eating together. Yes, here Arnav is eating also. Yes, Arnav, what you are eating?
Ma'am, I have pomegranate, bananas, and apple.
Okay, that means it is fruit chaat.
Yes, ma'am.
Nice. Yes, Aryan. Riddhi is also showing something. Riddhi, what is there in your plate?
Ma'am, can we start making?
Yes, you all can start eating. Yes, here is also some Navya Singh with the name Navya Singh. What is there in
Ma'am,
your
I
plate?
am Honey Singh.
Ha, Honey Singh, what
Ma'am,
is
I am
there?
Honey Singh.
Yeah, what is there in your plate? Tell.
Ma'am, I have grapes, bananas, apple, carrots, and put some chaat masala.
Okay, very nice. And Yurush, what you are having
I
with
have
you?
made fruit chaat.
Okay. And Yurush, what is there with you?
Ma'am, I have aloo bhujia. Ma'am, can I start eating?
Yes, child. Everyone can start eating. Yes, Yurush, what is there?
Ma'am, there is sev, sambar, and batata slice.
Okay. And Kanishka, you?
Ma'am, I have some.
One by one, we will be coming. Just Kanishka will show what she is doing.
Ma'am, I have some potatoes,
Yes.
curd,
Okay.
coriander leaves, tomato, chutney, chaat masala, green chutney, and some salt.
Okay, children. So nice.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes, beta, show. Show and start eating also.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have chiku.
See, I am also eating. Here I am also eating. Wow.
Ma'am, I am also eating.
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes. Yes, show. Huh? What all things are there?
Ma'am, can I show?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I show? Ma'am, can I show?
Everyone will show,
Orange, apple, and
just show me your hands or the fingers so that I can ask you. I can come to you. Those who have shown other than those children who have already shown to me. Chinmay, what is with there, beta, with you?
Ma'am, can I show?
Just wait, I'm
Ma'am,
calling
can
out
I?
the name. Chinmay is showing something.
Ma'am, I have tomatoes,
Yeah.
a chip,
Okay.
murmuras,
Yeah.
salt and
Fat.
pepper, coriander and Ma'am,
Okay.
I have potato, lemon, dry mango powder, and salt.
Everyone is showing now. Everyone will eat. Now start eating, children. Start eating, everyone. Sarina, can I see yours? What you have prepared now?
Two apple, banana, and Ma'am, can I show?
Now eat. It is eating time. See, I am also eating.
Ma'am, I have finished.
Now we are going to enjoy eating together.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have finished.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, what are you eating? Grandfather.
I am eating potato chaat.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. My mother and father are going to Nagpur. So my grandmother and grandfather. So I tell them. So
It
they
is
tell
okay,
they.
Anandi. It is okay. If today you have not arranged, have you arranged anything?
No, ma'am.
No problem. But you can, when your parents come back, you can do the same activity, है ना? And you can eat.
Ma'am, can I send the video?
Yeah, you can send the video.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I want to ask you, children, when you eat alone, you enjoy that, or when we all eat together?
I enjoy eating together. Ma'am, when we eat together.
Yeah, when we eat together, we enjoy more. And at the same time, when we all are enjoying eating together, we should help each other also, no? We should learn to serve. We should maintain the hygiene and cleanliness also. Okay? And when we are preparing something, after that we should do the cleaning job also. It is not like we have made and then we have eaten up and then we are throwing those things there only. Okay? Yes, who is this? Riddhi. Yes, Riddhi, show me what you all are eating.
Ma'am, I have make a bhel. It is looking delicious.
Okay, show on the screen your bhel, Riddhi.
Ma'am, I am Chinmay. Ma'am, can
Yes,
I
Chinmay.
show? Ma'am, I have made bhel. It is looking delicious.
Yeah.
Ma'am, my sister has finished the potato
This
salad.
bhel is of, see, so nice bhel. Chinmay is also showing. All of you have shown me on your screen and now you are eating and hope you will read the chapter and what all occasions are there on which we eat together. Okay? And one more very important thing, while eating we don't have to talk. Hana? It may be very dangerous also. So while eating, we should not talk.
And the food can be stuck in our throat.
Yeah. Now one by one, just come on the screen, tell your name and show your things.
Ma'am, can I show? Ma'am, can I
Now
show?
don't ask can I show.
Ma'am, my
You
food
can
is
just come and show.
Ma'am, my name is Vedika Sachdev. I make food, fruit salad.
Very good.
Ma'am, I am Kaustubh Banjari. I make potato chaat. Chaat masala and black salt.
I'm Anand Marathi. I make fruit chaat.
So now show me your smiling faces, happy faces.
Ma'am, I am Avan Tyagi. I have made the fruit chaat.
So now you all can help your mother, no?
I make aloo chaat.
So now you can help your mother also.
Ma'am,
You all can help your mother in the kitchen.
Ma'am, I have finished my food.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I'm Srishti Soni. I make potato chaat.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I finished my food.
ma'am,
Ma'am, it was delicious and definitely I can
Yeah.
recommend
How did
mother.
you like the food?
yeah, ma'am,
Tasty.
it was very sweet.
It was delicious and eating together made it more delicious, I think.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Eating together made it more delicious.
Yes,
And now we are going to learn about the festivals, occasions, when we eat together, and what are the main items during those festivals. On different festivals, different things are made and they are eaten up. Okay, so according to your chapter, now you will underline the hard words and also the occasions and the new terms which are coming there in the chapter. Like which festival is
Ma'am, I
festival is
am
described
done.
in the chapter?
Bihu.
Bihu. Where it is celebrated?
Ma'am, in Assam.
Assam. And which food is made there?
Ola rice and cheva rice.
Yeah, very good. So its recipe is also mentioned over there. Okay. And how they celebrate, what they
Ma'am,
make.
I have doubt.
Yes.
I make Bilaghal and ma'am, that you.
Yes, you all have to help your mother in serving food, in doing small jobs in the kitchen, which is safe for you. Okay. And now we have enjoyed a lot eating together. You know the benefits of eating together and what all norms we should follow.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.